Thank you for the introduction. Hello, everyone. I'm Hirotaka Sekine, a PhD student at the University of Tokyo. Can you see my screen, the leaflet? Thank you. So today I'm going to introduce a new exciting event, UNISEC Deep Space Workshop. In the 9th UNISEC-Global meeting last year, I proposed to establish a community regarding to the deep space exploration. And we, some PhD students at the University of Tokyo, have planned this event as a starting activity. So recently, deep space exploration using small satellites has become more and more active. However, the number of such missions carried out, especially by universities, is limited, and specialists in this field are also limited. So the motivation of this event is to foster collaboration and knowledge exchange in the field of deep space exploration. So this workshop provides a unique platform discussing the latest advancements and challenges and future directions in deep space exploration. So this event will be held just after the domestic conference, which is the biggest conference of astronautics in Japan. This is why we choose this date and place, November 9th and Himeji. Himeji is close to Osaka. So we've already invited these distinguished speakers. For example, in the session 2, we'll discuss about lessons learned from Artemis 1 CubeSat missions. This mission launched 10 CubeSats by Space Launch System 2 years ago. We'll have Mr. Sami from NASA JPL. He managed the Deep Space Network ground station scheduling to support both these missions and other deep space missions. We also have Professor Craig Hargrove and Professor Benjamin Malfras, the principal investigator of Lunar HMAP and Lunar IceCube, respectively. And Professor Tatsuaki Hashimoto and Professor Ryu Funase have confirmed their attendance as speakers. I think everyone here may know Professor Tatsuaki Hashimoto and Professor Ryu Funase. In addition to this academic or government side session, we are now organizing industry session. The first speaker is from iSpace, one of the sponsors of UNISEC. And our second speaker is Mr. Valerio Tanner. He is the Chief Program Officer at Algotech. Algotech has developed AlgoMoon in SLS-1 CubeSat mission and also is developing Juventus for Hela mission. We are now inviting some more companies for this session, so please wait for upcoming release. The registration is free and anyone interested in deep space exploration can attend this workshop. So if you're interested in this, please register from this QR code or click URL on the chat space. I sent some URL link to the Zoom chat link. And online distribution is also available, so please share this information, anyone involved. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the workshop. If you have any questions, please send an email to this contact. This contact can be found in our website. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Sekine-san.